Hello, my name is Lutz Bartel. I'm the CEO of HB-Laser in Germany. We are a company, we make complete turnkey multimedia solutions, and one of our latest products here you can see is called the 3D HydroMatrix. It is a smart fountain system, mainly for indoor application, which the highest density of water fountains. Each water fountain, what you can see here, is separately controllable in height and color. And so you can make, if it's arranged in a matrix configuration, you can make three-dimensional objects and logos, for example, for shopping malls. You can take it for advertising. But of course, it's also a nice water fountain installation, especially for hotel lobbies and maybe cruise ships or also shopping malls. For further information about this nice and latest product for us, you can visit our website at www.hb-laser.com. Thank you very much.